end! Today, let's draw a cute chinchilla. First, draw the ears and head of the chinchilla. Draw the body and limbs again.
Books and pencils, words to find.
And I put an emoji on him.
lesson, I open my mind. Teachers show a world so
Then draw the
wide.
abdomen
In their
and the
guidance I confide. In classrooms bright, I start
Finally,
to
we
see
draw the leaves
all the
and the raindrops.
wonders I can be. Learning is my light to grow. In every page and thought I know.
Now, let's start coloring.
Knowledge
Color
helps my
the
dreams
chinchilla
to
with blue
show.
and skin tone first.
With math and art, I find my way. New things to learn every day. With each word and every rhyme, I'll cherish learning all the time. The future shines with what I gain. In school's embrace I'll remain. Learning